So in order to go ahead and start using Spendee, you need to go ahead and log into your Spendee account and then utilize your dashboard. So let's get familiar with it. So for that, I'm going to go to spendee.com and then I'm going to click on login right here. After that, enter out the email address and password right here that you use to create your account. So let's just go around and enter those out and then click on login to Spendee. So once you do that, what happens is that you will be logged in. So it's verifying right here and you can see it is logged in right here. And then you get to your dashboard right here. So over here, you can see your wallets right here. Like you have an option to see your gas wallet right here. And you can see that as I click on it, you get the option for the wallet. So around over here, you have an option to connect to a bank account so that Spendee actually links to your bank account and will automatically add in the transaction details right here. Apart from that, you can even go ahead and add new wallet right here. In the overview section, you can see your total balance, total period change and everything right here. But since this is our first time using the application, we don't have any data yet. As I click on wallet right here, you can see that I have an option to add in different transactions with different categories right here. I can select the date, the note, the label, and so forth right here. Let's just go ahead and say for transportation, I use $15. Click on add transaction and then there you go. There's our first transaction right here in this particular wallet. So as you go around over here, you can see that there's an overview of, like, let's say, for example, the overall expenses that you did. You got the sliders right here as well to track it down, and you got the dates as well. You can go ahead and set out budget right here if you want to maintain a certain budget. You can go to wallet settings right here to go ahead and change the way how your wallet works as well. If you were to go around onto the top right hand side, you can go ahead and then access out your settings, your account setting right here, where you can go ahead and change the way how your app behaves right here. As we actually go ahead and move along with exploring the different features of the application, we're going to go ahead and see all of these one by one in detail. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.